Welcome back to a new tutorial, step by step, with video support, explained simply, in which you will learn how to put MEX in farm and earn APY of over 10,000% at the moment. This APY will decrease as funds are added to the farm. Welcome everyone on Be Successful, your favorite development channel. The place you always leave smarter than you came. If you are new to the channel, subscribe so we can move on. If you are already a subscriber, give a quick like here too, so you don't waste time at the end. If you're new to the Elrond ecosystem and still don't use the Maiar app, don't worry. You will find in the description of the video the link necessary to download it. Also, by accessing this link, you will receive a welcome gift worth $10 on your first purchase of over $200. Strictly follow the steps indicated by the application for the security of your account, back up the secret phrase, and do not show it to anyone for any reason. Access Maiar Exchange, you have the link in the description of the video. Go to the Farm section at the top of the screen. Choose the farm with MEX and click on the stake. Choose what kind of MEX you want to deposit. Simple MEX or locked MEX. Select the amount you want to deposit and what you want to receive as rewards. MEX or locked MEX. Click on the stake button and confirm the transaction on the phone from the main application. And now congratulations, you are part of this wonderful community, and implicitly you will take part in the rewards. Thank you for staying until the end. If this video helped you add liquidity and start making extra profits, share this video to see as many people as possible. The more people come to this project, the faster the prices of your coins, eGold and MEX, will increase. Maiar Exchange is a revolution in the crypto world. Stay subscribed to this channel, and you will continue to receive wonderful news. I leave on the screen on the left another wonderful video to continue your journey through the Elrond ecosystem. Don't forget to like this video, it helps us a lot.